Hello my beautiful people, welcome to another amazing video. I go by the name Veronica Wanjiru. If you are new here, please welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch and appreciate my work. I don't take that for guys. So guys, as you can see, I'm already in the kitchen, and today in this video I am going to make mandazis for my family. So I just wake up early to make these mandazis so that when my family wake up, they will find the mandazis being ready. So make sure to watch this video until it comes to an end. May God bless you, and may you all have a blessed day. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video until it comes to an end. And you know guys, if you are there and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. We are road to 1,000 subscribers guys. Simunifikisha even 1,000 subscriber. I can't wait to celebrate 1,000 subscribers because hey, kufikisha 1,000 subscriber, it's not easy guy. YouTube it's not easy. So yeah, nifikisha ni 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this video until it comes to an end. May God bless you. And finally our mandazis are ready. Ooh, they have really turned out. So guys, I am done folding the clothes. Woo, and I am not perfect in folding clothes. Mi bora tu nimekuja na nizieke into their specific place, zikikaa neat. That's all matters. So here nimeng'ang'ana tu, hata kama nimekuja hizi nguo nikisumbuana na watoto, but finally I am done. So I will take them and put them into their specific place. Thank you so much for keeping it here. Thank you so much for watching this video until it comes to an end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and even share. And remember to leave a positive comment. We are road to 1,000 subscribers. Guys, I was done folding my clothes and I am not perfect in folding clothes, though nimekuja hizi nguo nikisubana na watoto, but all in all nimeshamaliza kufold. Now it's time nizichukue niende nizieke into the specific place. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. I don't take for granted. May God bless you as you support me. Continue supporting me by subscribing, like, and even commenting, but just leave a positive comment.